Welcome to the guide on making payments in the Tesla app. We'll cover how to pay for supercharging, service, and orders seamlessly. The Tesla app has evolved into a comprehensive payment hub, integrating various options for your convenience. The app handles payments for three main areas: supercharging your vehicle, scheduling service and repairs, and ordering accessories and upgrades. You'll see examples of updating payment info for supercharging, scheduling service appointments, and managing monthly payments through the app. This video will show you how to leverage these features to manage your Tesla-related expenses efficiently, making EV ownership easier. First, let's set up your payment methods. Navigate to the Payments tab in the app. Here, you can add credit/debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and even select cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum in supported regions like the US and Canada. Set a default payment method for recurring charges. All transactions are processed securely through Tesla's API, ensuring PCI DSS compliance. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Paying for supercharging is straightforward. Charges are calculated per kilowatt hour, with rates varying by location. For example, in the US, the rate is 28 cents per kilowatt hours. The app automatically charges you upon session completion, and you'll receive a notification for approval. Alternatively, consider subscribing to Tesla Electric for unlimited supercharging for a monthly fee starting at $199 in the US. Tesla Pay offers contactless transactions at superchargers using biometric authentication. The app simplifies service and repair payments. Schedule service appointments at Tesla centers directly through the app. You'll receive upfront cost estimates, and you can pay upon completion. In-app payments are also available for remote diagnostics and virtual repairs. If needed, explore financing options for repairs through Tesla's partnerships with third-party lenders like Affirm. Tesla's app includes a comprehensive marketplace where owners can browse and purchase accessories and upgrades. From wall connectors to solar panels, everything is available with instant purchasing options. For example, selecting a solar panel kit shows the price and options for payment. Payment options include instant deduction from linked cards or flexible installment plans spread over several months. Choosing instant payment deducts the full amount immediately. Watch as the balance updates in real time. After payment, orders are tracked in real time with instant delivery updates through the app. In a 2025 pilot program in Australia, Tesla introduced same-day delivery for accessories purchased via the app, with payment processing completed in under 30 seconds. Tesla Pay, introduced in late 2024, is Tesla's proprietary payment system. It allows for contactless transactions at superchargers using biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, directly through the app. This feature has been rolled out globally and is compatible in over 40 countries, making supercharging payments faster and more secure. To enhance security, all transactions in the Tesla app use tokenization to protect your card details. This process replaces sensitive payment information with a unique token that cannot be used to access your actual card data. If you're in an area with poor connectivity, the app supports offline payments for superchargers. This ensures you can still pay for charging sessions even without an internet connection, with transactions processed later when connectivity is restored. Keep your app updated to benefit from the latest security features and improvements. Regular updates include enhanced encryption, AI-driven fraud detection, and better user authentication methods. Be aware of potential phishing attempts. Always verify the app's authenticity before entering payment information. Look for official Tesla branding and never click suspicious links claiming to be from Tesla. Looking ahead, Tesla app payments will see greater automation and integration. By 2027, expect AI-powered recommendations that suggest optimal charging times to save costs. Watch for blockchain-based microtransactions on V3 superchargers, allowing pay-per-minute charging for more flexibility. Regulatory changes around cryptocurrency payments may affect available options, so stay updated. Projected adoption of these features could reach high levels in coming years. Stay informed about these developments to make the most of Tesla app payments.